Well, welcome to the newly refurbished one bedroom at the Boardwalk. This is our first day since they've done the refurbishment, and I think they did a really good job. I think it's really pretty, so I can't wait to show you what's different about these new rooms. So here we are in the entranceway. You've got this really nice foyer, and then you got a little closet here. You can use it for just your coats. There's a couple of hangers, and we just have our luggage in here. And here we have the kitchen and the dining area. They've got this really pretty color palette of these pastels. These nice pink chairs. I love the artwork. This 1920s boardwalk theme. I really like how they've incorporated so many characters into the refurbishment. The old rooms didn't have as much character in them, but these ones do. So here is your pull down double-sized bed, and I'll show you that in a few minutes, what that looks like down. And here's your, that Alexa thing. This picture of Donald and Daisy enjoying the boardwalk garden. And I love these curtains, the Art Nouveau. So pretty. So this was a complete refurbishment. They replaced everything, all the furniture, all the carpets, all the fixtures, everything. This is a lock-off. All of the 2 bedrooms here are lock-offs where it's a 1 bedroom with a studio, and so here's the studio on the other side. You have a little counter to eat at. There's a TV here. Sink. I love these new faucets. Under the sink, you've got trash and cleaning supplies. We have a dishwasher, the dual kind of coffee pot, and you get both kinds of coffee, so that's nice. And just like every other 1 bedroom, it's filled with utensils and dishes. I'm not going to show you everything. You can look at some of my other 1 bedroom tours if you want to see what's in every single cabinet. Paper towels, toaster, full oven and range, microwave, a fridge and freezer. And the fridge doesn't have an ice maker, but it does have ice cube trays. The 1 bedrooms have 2 entrances to your balcony. It's nighttime now, so I'm going to insert some shots of what the balcony looks like in the daytime so you can see. This is a standard view room. All of the standard views that I've ever stayed in have been facing this side of the resort, basically towards the entrance, and it's really quiet. I really like staying in the standard views. So over here behind these louvered doors, you've got your combination washer and dryer, and they give you laundry detergent. And if you need any more, you can just ask housekeeping for it. Nice big bathroom, nice big shower, but unfortunately it now has, these things. It's just the way it is now. Nice shower head. Artwork of the resort. They do still give you little individual lotions and bar soap. And then in here, we have the bathtub room. See, the bathtub is brand new. I really like that. It's really nice. And then it's got this beautiful artwork. I just love that. That is so cute. Now, if you stayed here before, you'll remember that over the tub, they used to have those shutters that you could open and see into the bedroom, and that was weird. I didn't like that. So they got rid of that. And now you've got a bigger vanity in here, so a lot more room for all of your toiletries. There's some storage underneath. And these drawers work. There's nothing in this one, but over here we have a hair dryer. And then you've got your magnifying mirror, some more lotion and soap. Here is the big closet for the room, and this is where you have your usual supplies that you find in the DVC closets. You got an iron, a laundry basket, extra pillow and blankets, ironing board, that's what that thing's called, and a luggage rack, and your safe. And the closet has a light in it. And another sliding louvered door. And here we have the bedroom. So the bedroom, you can get to it from the bathroom and from the kitchen. There's a lot of doors in the Boardwalk one bedrooms. It's a little confusing, but you'll get used to it. We have a full-length mirror over here, a little bench, king-size bed in the one bedrooms. And I love this artwork. This is just so cute. The Goofy and Daisy and Donald. I just love this so much. And you have sconces on either side of the bed. The curtains in here are different from the curtains out in the living room. You see the little silhouettes of the characters. Got Donald and Daisy and Minnie, Pluto, Goofy, Mickey's down there too. Just like the silhouettes that you'll see in the light fixtures in the hallway. I just love how they brought the characters in. And this lamp has a little surprise when you turn it on. Isn't that adorable? I just love that. Some more cute artwork of Mickey and Minnie enjoying the Boardwalk Resort. And there's another TV in the master bedroom and a dresser with a lot of storage. And the bed is up high so you can put your suitcases under there. So let's take a look at what the living room looks like with the bed down. And then this is what the bed looks like in the living room. It's got this adorable picture of Donald dreaming about him and Daisy on the carousel. It's so cute. And these pillows, these throw pillows, even have Mickeys in them. Really nice. One thing though, they took out the ceiling fans in here and in the bedroom. I know, I'm not happy about it either, but they do still have ceiling fans at the Grand Floridian. Some of the resorts still do have fans, but they seem like they've been removing them from a lot of the resorts as they refurbish them. And I think this is my favorite piece of artwork. Right when you come in, it's Donald with a Webby, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Obviously taking them to Epcot from the Boardwalk Inn. I just love I love Disney characters. I'm glad that they put so many Disney characters in the room. Because, I mean, you're at Disney World, okay? That's what you want. And they also, if you remember the old ancient thermostats, they now have the new thermostats. So this refurbishment of the DVC rooms seems to be the final phase of an extensive refurbishment of the entire Boardwalk Resort, the hotel side and the DVC side. They refurbished the hotel side rooms first, and then they finally got around to doing these. And I think they just did a really great job. They refurbished the lobby, they refurbished the Bellevue Lounge, and the Bellevue Lounge was controversial, but I think they did a nice job to it. I think it still has the same atmosphere. It still has most of the same decorations, and it has the same music. They refurbished the pool. You know, they got rid of the scary clown pool, which was a very divisive pool, a little scary looking, but people seem to be really happy with the new Mickey and Friends themed pool. Really, the only thing that they need to do is finally open the cake bake shop. You know, that'll maybe open one day. And then also the corn dog cart too. I was really concerned about the refurbishment of this resort because this was our first home resort and I really liked the boardwalk the way it was, but it definitely needed a refurb. So I was anxious about how they were going to do, but I think they did a great job. I think the resort looks beautiful. I feel like they really kept everything in the spirit of the boardwalk. There's been no major changes. I think that the rooms actually look a lot more deluxe. I think these rooms now, the decor is a lot closer to what they did with the refurbishment at the Grand Floridian or Boulder Ridge. I just think DVC has done a good job with these refurbishments, and I hope that they continue to do a good job with refurbishments because Bay Lake Tower is coming up for one soon. and I really want to see what they do there. But I really like what they did in the hallways of this resort. I love the light fixtures in the hallway with all the silhouettes. I just really love how they're leaning into putting more characters into these newly refurbished rooms, because that's why you're at Disney World. You want to see some Disney characters in your room. Well, thank you for watching my tour of the 1-bedroom at Boardwalk, and you can see some other room tours on my channel, and I hope you'll subscribe and check out some of our other travel adventures.